Welcome back. Glad to see you again. I'm starting a new trading session on currency pairs. Today, the market is full of macroeconomic news. So as usual, I'll be trading on the OTC market. I'll be using technical analysis in my work, as well as trading from zones of interest and horizontal levels. Watch this video until the end. I'm sure we'll have an interesting trading session. Don't forget to like this video and let's get started. So guys, as an additional tool, I'll be using the MACD with standard settings. Let's pick a currency pair that fits my trading style best. I see that the Australian dollar pair looks quite suitable. First of all, I notice that the price is currently moving sideways. The market makes an impulsive move down and the MACD shows a crossover, which signals an entry into a sell trade. Of course, it's always better to look for trending markets where price has a clear direction. Trading inside a flat range can be a bit risky, but let's see how this trade plays out. I'm already preparing my first recovery train so I don't miss a good entry point. I also see that the current expiration time is not enough, so I decide to open a second position. Let's watch together how it will close. The recovery trade turns the situation in my favor, and this is just perfect. Well, let's not dwell on this for too long and continue looking for other opportunities on the market. One minute of your time. I want to remind you about my Telegram channel where I regularly share educational materials, trading tips, and insightful articles about the forex market. But for those of you who are serious about leveling up your trading game, I offer an exclusive opportunity to copy my trades directly through the platform's social trading feature. This means you can stay active in the market even while you're relaxing at home. My trades are mirrored instantly on your account, so you profit alongside me. If you want to know exactly how to connect to social trading, just send me a direct message. There are a few simple requirements, and this feature is available to everyone. My contact info is right below this video. Now, let's get back to the strategy. All right, guys, let's take a look at the Euro-BUML pair. I'm entering the market with a sell trade, and let me explain why. First of all, I see a reaction from a horizontal resistance level. On top of that, in the MACD oscillator, I notice a moving averages crossover and a drop in volumes, which indicates weakness on the buy side. There's also a zone of interest shown by this bearish candle and a support level. So everything looks just fine. Now let's wait for the trade to close and see the result. Unfortunately, the trade once again closed against me. But this time I can see that the setup is no longer valid, so it's better to let this situation go and move on. I'll look for something more interesting and more reliable, and that's where I'll apply my recovery trade. Let's keep searching. Let's take a look at GBP USD. This pair looks very interesting right now. I'm entering a 2-minute trade with a recovery amount of $450 on a call option buy. Here's why. First of all, I marked this local downtrend channel. Then the MACD shows a crossover, which signals a potential breakout upwards from this channel. On top of that, I can clearly see the chance for price to update recent highs. The setup looks promising, and I chose the 2-minute expiry because breakouts, whether it's from a trend line or a horizontal level, often need a bit more time to develop. The market is tricky today, but that's exactly the kind of challenge we're here for. Let's see how this trade closes. Great. The trade closes in profit and the situation turns in my favor. Perfect. All right, let's continue trading and see what else the market has in store. Let's pause here and see what we can come up with. I'm opening a sell trade and let's analyze the situation. The MACD shows a crossover in negative volumes, which signals a sell. The trend is downward, but I also see that the price is breaking out of the lower trend channel. There's also a zone of interest for buyers, so I expect some minor accumulation before the next downward impulse. All right, I'm already in the trade, so let's see how it plays out. The main thing is that the expiration time is enough. I'm already preparing a hedge just in case because I see that a small upward impulse is still continuing. Let's see if it will come in handy. The first trade closes against me, but the hedge is already open. This trading session is definitely quite challenging, but I'm glad it happened during this video so you can see my logic for entry points and get an idea of the best expiration times for your trades. Now that's trading, guys. In any case, I'm closing this session in profit. That's how it went. Subscribe to the channel if you watched the video till the end. I really appreciate it. See you soon. I hope the next session will be even more exciting. Bye, everyone.